Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought I'd show you what I've ordered. I've ordered a Gamery Wireless Pro game controller. And I'll show you the back. Sorry, that's my dog. Tells you how to connect it and everything. And then I'll show you what it looks like inside. So we got that. Let's see what else is in the box. Got some instructions, controller, how to use it and what to press and etc. And then we've got this to charge it. I'll show you that, give me 1 second. That's everything in the box, I think, yeah. Yeah, there, you can see it there anyway, you don't have to really open it. That's the, wait, it's the charger. And this here is the controller for my new Nintendo Switch, which I'm very excited to be using when I get it. There's a closer up. So basically my nephew showed me how you work it. So you press this and see them lights up, and then it'll pair to your Switch, and yeah, can't wait to use it, and I'll show you how to use it like in my next video. So yeah, that's where you charge it up there. Here's the other buttons. So yeah, I thought I'd let you know, and I can't wait to have my Nintendo Switch so I can show you everything. So yeah, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and comment down below. Thank you. Bye.